Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through an easy guide on how to use the Paypenny app in UK. Make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it really helps me out. So to get started with the guide on how you can simply use the Paypenny app in UK. So the first thing to do is to make sure you download the app on the reliable source. From iOS user, go to your Apple Store. Then if you're an Android user, install the app from the Google Play Store. Then after that, you have to register your account. So open the app and enter your UK mobile number, then verify your number using the OTP, which is one-time password sent to your SMS. Then get a secure pin, which is a transaction pin for future transaction. Then after that, then you have to complete your KYC verification. Navigate to the KYC section within the app, then upload the valid government issued ID, which is a driver's license or passport, and take a selfie as prompted for identity verification. Then KYC approval typically takes around 30 minutes for completion. And after that, you have to use your UK bank account to add money. Then detailed instruction for UK transfer are provided within the app. Then after that, you have to select the recipient country. For example, it can be India or any other part of the world. Then enter the recipient or bank details, then specify the amount you wish to send, then review and exchange rate and confirm the transaction. And that's how you can simply use the Paypenny app in UK. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.